Welcome to this course on finite element modelling of plate structures with Python. My name is Dr. Sean Carroll. I'm a structural engineer and the founder of engineeringskills.com. The aim of this course is to teach you how we can turn fundamental theories of plate behaviour into a fully functioning finite element solver using Python. We'll start by building our understanding of plate mechanics by unpacking the versatile and widely adopted Reissner-Mindlin theory. This approach will allow us to model both thick and thin plate elements, resulting in an extremely versatile and accurate analysis pipeline. Mapping the engineering theory into code is a fantastic way for us to really test our understanding of the underlying mechanics. Once we have a functioning finite element solver, we'll then turn our attention to validation. At each step in our code development, we'll validate our work by building equivalent models using OpenSeesPy and Pynite, two feature-rich open source libraries for finite element analysis. To complete our modelling and analysis toolset, we'll also cover mesh generation using GMSH, another incredibly powerful open source meshing library. Once you've completed this course, you'll have a complete workflow for the analysis of plate structures backed by a fundamental understanding of the Reissner-Mindlin theory that powers it all. So, if you want to understand the mechanics of plate structures by building practical analysis tools and get comfortable using some amazing open source Python libraries, join the course and I'll see you on the inside.